Welcome to our recycling plant. Today, I'll show you plastic is recycled step.
Watch out for the PVC in this batch.
Yeah, I see it. Get that cardboard too.
Here, the mixture is carefully balanced for quality, ensuring every component reaches peak consistency before the final stage. The automated process ensures the perfect balance of aggregates and water, guaranteeing superior quality in every batch.
Check the O2 levels on Bay 3. They are unstable.
Confirmed. Initiating corrective sequence.
Levels are returning to nominal parameters.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Topic is made, from start to finish.